Boost your English, mastering phrasal verbs with put up. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting area of the English language, phrasal verbs. They might seem challenging, but they're incredibly common in daily conversation. Today's star is put up. Let's break it down, understand its different meanings, and look at how we can use it in various sentences. Put up is a phrasal verb that can have several meanings depending on the context. It can mean to provide a place to stay, to tolerate, or to construct or erect something. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of when and how to use this versatile phrasal verb. Firstly, put up can mean to provide someone with a place to stay. Here are some example sentences. My friend was in town, so I put him up for the night. Can you put up my cousin for a few days? Remember, it's used when someone accommodates another person at their home, usually temporarily. The second use of put up is when someone tolerates or endures an unpleasant situation or person. For example, I can't put up with his constant complaining. She has put up with so much stress at work. This usage is often found in the phrase, put up with. Finally, put up can also mean to construct or erect something. This is often used when referring to buildings or structures. Here are a couple of examples. They're putting up a new skyscraper downtown. I put up a tent for the kids to play in. It's frequently used when discussing temporary or permanent structures. Phrasal verbs can add a lot of depth to your English conversation skills, and put up is a prime example. With its three common meanings, you'll now be able to understand and use put up in various contexts. Keep practicing with these new sentences and make them part of your everyday English. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. I hope you found this video helpful, and keep putting up with English. It's worth it. See you in our next lesson.